Hello there, my name's Taryn, and I work on the order desk here at Gregg Distributors. And if you know anything about Gregg Distributors, you'll know we go through a lot of tape. So we know that quality is important. That's why on this episode of Gear Up with Greggs, we'll be discussing all the things that have helped 3M's line of tape hold its top spot in the marketplace. We're all familiar with 3M tape, whether we know it or not. After all, you've probably heard of Scotch tape, which is just one of several common brands manufactured by 3M. And although tape was one of 3M's earliest product lines, they definitely haven't left its innovation in the past. Scotch brand tape started in 1925, after the first masking tape was invented by Richard Drew. Drew, a college dropout who had recently joined the 3M team, happened to overhear the woes of automotive workers. They were having difficulty achieving the two-toned look that was popular on cars in the 1920s, and Drew was determined to find a product to make their lives easier. After 2 years of experimentation, masking tape, a 3M adhesive with a crepe paper back, hit the market. Today, there are several different types of masking tapes available from 3M. Most of us are familiar with the crepe colored tapes or even the green painter's tape. But there are so many specialized tapes created for specific industries and uses. Let's start by taking a look at the 401 Plus high performance masking tape. This tape boasts sharp lines even in tough conditions, withstanding temperatures up to 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This makes the 401 Plus perfect for automotive, specialty vehicle, and industrial markets where a strong hold and high temperature performance is required. Along with their line of high performance masking tapes like the 401 Plus, 3M developed trim masking tapes for the rubber gaskets around vehicle frames, which tend to be difficult to mask with traditional tapes. The small gap created from applying this specialized tape protects the vehicle's trim and prevents a hard paint edge from forming. These versatile tapes can also be used when painting side molds, door handles, and other light assemblies. With all the changes in automotive painting, the need for finer and finer detail work increased. 3M's 471 Plus vinyl tape is ideal for these tricky detail jobs, as it conforms easily to corners and turns, creating a sharp, clean look almost instantly. And with no sticky residue left behind, it's perfect for getting those perfect lines on your sweet ride. Now, painter's tape is a common household item, but SCOTCHBLUE takes it one step further with their exterior painter's tape. Designed specifically for outdoor use, this tape is made with a waterproof polyethylene backing which holds strong even in challenging weather conditions. But don't worry about sticky residue, because this tape removes cleanly even after 7 days of UV exposure. The microgrid backing also helps to anchor the tape, making sure that your paint won't flake once the tape is removed. The success of the original masking tape allowed Richard Drew to move up the ranks, and in 1929, he started looking for a solution for the food packaging industry. Cellophane had just been introduced, and while the clear plastic provided a great new look for pre-packaged foods, the opaque tape that was available on the market ruined the crystal clean lines. So, the team set to work on creating a clear cellophane tape to mesh with the new packaging. Unfortunately, the adhesives at 3M had a yellowish tint to them, and their machines were too rough on the new, delicate material. After redeveloping a clear adhesive and creating machinery sensitive enough for cellophane, 3M had missed the mark. A heat-sealing alternative had already been created. But when the Great Depression hit, this see-through tape found a multitude of uses in the home, which meant business kept booming. Scotch cellulose tape later renamed Scotch cellophane tape, gained quick popularity in the 1940s thanks to its ability to invisibly mend just about any document. After several years of use and the development of the snail dispenser we all know, Scotch tape slowly morphed into the transparent tape product we all use today. The first matte finish invisible tape, Scotch brand Magic Tape, was created in 1961. Magic tape can be written on with pen, pencil, or marker, making it popular in homes, schools, and offices. And best of all, the tape is photo safe. It can be photographed, scanned, faxed, or photocopied without any worries about the tape blocking out the content beneath it. With so many benefits, it's no wonder this tape is still a common household item. Packaging tape also presented 3M with a unique problem to solve in colder climates. It was a challenge to get tape to stay stuck to recycled corrugate boxes. The recycled fibers were shorter and denser than the fibers in new boxes, making it more difficult for the tape to stay put. Since 81% of corrugate used by the Canadian industry is made of recycled content, this presented a huge issue for the packaging and shipping industries. That's why the 373 box sealing tape was created. This high performance tape has an adhesive that seeps in deeper and holds tighter than traditional packing tapes. So even up here in the great Canadian North, this tape isn't going anywhere. Another market that benefited from a specialized tape was the electrical industry. In 1946, 3M invented the first known successful pressure-sensitive vinyl electrical tape. Scotch number 33 tape was easier and faster to apply than its predecessors and provided a stretchy, strong solution for the electrical market. Now, this standard tape goes by the name Super 33 Plus and has been reformulated more than 16 times since its creation. This tape is a professional grade, sturdy product suitable for indoor and outdoor use. With an operating temperature that ranges between -40 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, it's ideal for a multitude of uses. It's no wonder Super 33 Plus is the most common go-to tape in the electrical industry. If you're looking for an electrical tape for general use, TEMFLEX is perfect for the task. Even though it boasts a lower operating temperature than the Super 33 Plus, TEMFLEX is great for bundling, pulling wire and cable, and short-term or indoor applications. This is a tape that's handy to have around the house in case of a frayed charger cord or other emergency repair. For heavy-duty applications, or if you know that the tape is going to be used outdoors, the 3M Super 88 is the ideal electrical tape. This premium grade, 8.5 mil thick, all-weather vinyl insulating tape is designed to perform continuously between -18 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. Durable, easy to conform to any shape, and low residue after removal, the Super 88 is perfect for terminating and splicing, mechanical protection, and industrial use. Along with these well-known tapes, 3M also manufactures some very unique adhesive products. Like their vinyl tape, for instance. Vinyl tape comes in handy in areas where paint is traditionally used, such as floor and lane marking. 3M's vinyl tape offers excellent scratch-resistant, quick installation and removal with no sticky residue left behind. For warehouses like ours that see a lot of traffic, these vinyl tapes really come in handy. But possibly the most impressive product from the 3M tape line is their VHB tape. VHB tape, or Very High Bond Tape, was invented in 1980 to help improve the quality and speed of the assembly process. Spot welds and mechanical fasteners previously the most common way to join multiple panels together, weaken the metal they are holding, create a rough finished look, and couldn't hold up to extreme conditions or constant vibration. But VHB does all that and more. This acrylic foam tape is made of closed cell foam with pressure sensitive adhesives on both sides. VHB is so strong that since 1984, commercial aircraft manufacturers have used it to bond exterior stainless steel strips to the wing flaps of aircrafts, which are put up against a constant barrage of vibration and temperatures ranging from minus 54 degrees Celsius to 66 degrees Celsius. VHB tape is used on refrigerators, skyscrapers, trailers, and even the stainless steel panels on the Walt Disney Concert Hall. So when you need something to hold and hold tight, turn to VHB. Now 3M produces a lot more than just these few tapes. Their line has expanded over the years to include duct tape, specialized automotive tape, foam tape, reflective tape, and so much more. If you want to know more about the huge range of 3M adhesive products we carry here at Gregg's, be sure to check out our website at greggdistributors.ca. I'd like to thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. And if you want to catch more great content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, I'm Taryn, and I hope you have a great Canadian day.